I look forward to our deliberation today.
The NPP has stated that it is not surprised by the reaction of the opposition parties over the decision of the BJP to support the party candidates in both the Shillong and Tura parliamentary seats in the state. While speaking to a section of reporters today, NPP State President Preston Tynsong said that the opposition had stated that this decision of the BJP to support the party only reaffirms that the two parties are the same. He said that such remarks would always be there during the times of elections, whether it is the Lok Sabha, the Assembly or the District Council elections.
Kejika ban om bak NPP ke BJP ke NPP kata kalau ke bong lawang bat kami kajuan jia sisi sansnan hagi por election lada pi om ke action MP ke om election MLA lagi ke election MDC kami kajuan nak kapor sektor kapor nak kepak kolom ba ki pai ba nang tebut ki dei ban pensong nang lem lagi ban sungai ya ki bakum ki ligi janji keno ki bami tang hagi por election.
Congress candidate for the